with Oracle Cloud. I'm trying to start from that. If you already, I mean, login with Oracle Cloud would be just like that. This is the first place. Oh, hold on a second. I didn't share my screen yet. Hold on a second. I should share my screen. Yes. So if I start today, I'm going to just share my experience that using the Oracle account. It's many people struggling with using this such environment. Even we switching from Windows and the Linux in terms that some bug encountered that cannot be done by Windows, so we can go back to the Linux. Then probably going well, but still some of them is complaining that either the account or the environment in terms that less of lack of experience in Linux, um, in terms that command and skills. So still limitation of the fulfill your quickly done your environment. It's push you hard, struggling, and sometimes very upset. Such a things happen to you, but either one. I'm trying to overview again. If there is a or already just only have a Oracle account, if you're successful, then even you have a very poor condition of the Linux, but if you have a internet, then you don't necessarily install a virtual machine, install the Linux or whatever the operating system you still can use in the cloud. What's that? So here's a when you log out, there's a one cloud shell. We think that this is only the cloud shell, but still it is not more than that. So just click the button and yeah, then they will be try to connect the cloud shell. One thing that you have to give the um, yeah, let's connect first. It's just kind of any Linux terminal, so they will be connected with the Linux terminal. Now you trying to, so just like that. So it is my terminal. I can run any kind of um, Linux command, for example, ls, right? Then I put this something example, for example, list or something like this. But either one, if I but here's I didn't install my any kind. If I want to customize the Linux, how you can do that? So first of all, of course, you needed to create the instance in the computer. um, yes, you need to create the instance. Yeah, then I already created the instance before. All right, so for example, this one is running. I mean, I have two instances. One is intelligent. So what does means that actually, in order to create instance, before that, I have to create a network first. I mean, let me first minimize a little bit. I have to create VNC virtual network. So because I needed to public IP to access in the remotely. So that's the reason I have to create a virtual network. In the network here, I have to create virtual. Where's virtual network? Computer instance network. Virtual cloud network, yes. So I have to create here virtual network before I create this one. but I'm trying to before that, hold on a second. I'm starting this one with wizard, then give a little bit quicker processing step. Then I have to give a name. This is compartment, this kind of category. Then also they will be give the IP address, which is using the kind of create a option that we needed to. Okay, for example, I just want to give name. Hold on a second. Scroll db whatever. Service limit status. Hold on a second. I just only want to use it. I cannot. That's the reason I want to edit one. If I need to create, so it is my limitation is I already have a limit my. I already exceed my free shell, so that's the reason they come out. So it means that in your case you still can use it, no problem. But I can review mine. Because I already have created this one. So what is this here is actually I already have a so this is my row table. This is I think it's my VCN. Then this is VCN virtual network already created. Just name as this one. Keep remember, or name, or this is domain name. This is for the name, which we will be used it in the instance, right? So there is a a VCN name, sub network, but either one I want to now is I can keep continue my computer instance. What's the instance? Actually, I'm trying to use my Oracle instance, not Oracle, Oracle noSql instance. So I needed to use this one, and now, of course, I need to create this one. So while I need to create it, I have to choose what kind of operating system I need to choose. For example, here's I using the Linux, Oracle Linux, this version 7.9. This is always illegal, so I can use it legal. Now that's the reason I used the network, virtual network, which is created. So that's the reason I have it, and then I have to choose it, the public IP address. That's the reason I can able to access it. Then also there's one more things I have to create for SSH key to access them. For this reason, I have to create public key. In that case, I have to come here, use my public key, and then this public key actually they can be there's a folder name as SSH being hidden. There's already have one public, one private key, which is RSA. Now I want to use it my command. If you already have with my history, that's a command for, this is IP address. Let me check it. The IP address which is already created. There's IP address. Let me cancel it. Check it again. That's which one? This one. I'm trying to connect with this one. So that one should be ready for that. Let's say OPCs in this OPCs the username. I'm using the private key to try to connect them. Now I don't need to provide anything, so I already log in this another computer which is totally different than other one. Let me here's I already downloaded IntelliGent G, GDK, Oracle, noSql SDK. I download the tar file after the extract. It's the same as you did before. ID, IntelliGent G, my D project, which I trying to do it, restart. What else? What else done? Yeah, I create this one of noSql connect class here. So I want to check it, but this is a totally different my Linux. It is different than which I get it. So if you say that, there is nothing. Who am I? What's my user pwd, for example? That's on mine. SD. I'm trying to come in my so it's folder. This is my actually give the my cloud account, but this is there is nothing. If I go to cd home, there's nothing, just only this OCI or Oracle, for example, cd Oracle. But you have denied permission. Because ls OCI, it also should be denied. No, it's good, but I'm trying to say what has been inside of them. Only OCI, but I have the folder. The folder is my folder, but there is nothing, just only one Java demo, the simple folder, which is they trying to trying to run it before with for example such kind of class which is we used it before. But either one, it's not my this is not my this is a one Linux, but I want you more custom Linux. So that's the reason I'm trying to connect from one Linux to another Linux, which is simulate my environment. So okay, let me start for this one. So I create that's very similar which I did in the Linux. But if you very poor condition, that either one you less memory or not your Linux, not your computer, then this one is your best choice. Now I'm using this private key, and this is public IP instance we already created. This is the user. Then I connected. Then this one is I'm going to use now. So everything is been set up. Yeah, now I'm trying to connect with my remote desktop function. Remote desktop. It's the hold on a second. Where's my I don't remember that this one or that one. Probably this one. Yeah. I think this one. Yeah. So I'm trying. I already set up this one. Let's say this. So this, if you remember this is a Oracle. Yeah. Option that Yeah, I give the connection. So let's start first. What will happen? Connect. I don't remember the password. The password is what? What's the password? I don't remember the password. Uh, I didn't save yet. I don't know. Actually, there is another option. I don't remember. Let me. What I'm trying to see, trying to using that one is actually cd e one. This one shouldn't be run because this is a not detect graphical environment, but so basically, oh, hold on, there should be is my VCN. Let me see, VCN. VCN VNC. There should be two kind of VNC, but this one. No, it's very pretty. What is the password? Maybe I did record something here. No, I didn't. Any record here. It is bad. I forget this password. What's password? What's password? Interesting. So it's not allowed me import sign in, but what I'm trying to saying is exactly what we can do is I can able to install everything here. Then I can connect with the remote desktop, helping desktop to connect my remote environment. So if I do the payment account, paid account, so there is give me more option to say my desktop. Uh, now so just imagine that I can able to use without any installation. I can use it just one desktop client. Then any, by the way, it's we virtual network connectors, VNCs. You can find either the open source fund, so it should be easier to find it. So I will be get advantage, save my time, still I can keep my work. Then that's but the chill version, if you're using the chill version, they probably have a limitation of graphical interface, not, I mean, a little bit low resolution. Either one, this is very good choice to have a cloud environment. So that's it. I hope that's for all. This is one of the. I think it's better choice. I hope this one is a part of the lesson for you.